Okay, everyone. This is a step-by-step instruction on how to install Zoom, how to get um, registered onto Zoom with your account, either fmarian.edu or g.fmarian.edu. Then how to add people into your Zoom account. So let's start. I'm going to close Zoom. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and exit out of Zoom. You can go to any browser. Let's start with Chrome here and go to zoom.us. When you're at zoom.us, I'm scrolling down here, scroll down to the bottom, right here to Meetings Client. Click on that and then download this Meetings Client. So you can go ahead, I already have it here, but go ahead and essentially download it, and you will, since I already have it, it's saying override it, say yes, and then you can click on this for an installation, right? And I've already installed it, so it's just automatically opening it. Okay, now once it's installed, and let me go ahead and sign out of my account. So once it's installed, this is what you're going to see. Now if you're faculty, you should log in with your at fmarian.edu, and if you're a student, log in with your g.fmarian.edu. Now I'm going to type in my password. Now if you haven't, you can sign in here with those, sign up for free and sign in and create an account. Since I already have an account, I will go ahead and log in. Let me see if I remember my password. And well, I do remember my password, so that's great. So this is what you're going to see. All right. If you have any meetings, it'll come up here. Now, in your contacts, if you're a faculty member, you can click add a contact and put their email address and send them an invitation to join in here, right? You can also create, and I have created a channel. You can create a channel and you can put all the students in that channel, as I've done here. You can create multiple channels. Now when you put in a contact, they will see that right here, right? And if you click on this chat button here, the contact requests will come here. Okay, so there'll be a bunch of contact requests. Now this will only work if you install the software. A lot of times I get students and other people who I send this request to saying they have not got the request. And that is because they are still stuck. And let me show you. You are still in your browser. So if you are using Zoom in your browser, then that's not going to work, right? You can use Zoom from your browser, but it's not going to work. The only way you can add people is if you have this application, and that's what I'm trying to tell all of you to do, is to install the application in your machine, and then you can add students if you want to. With this, let me know if you need any help with Zoom.